Without further ado, let's get it. Why? Why? Why?
Let them see you shine bright.
Pack them house. Hold on, wait 1 minute. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I do my sleek back ponytails. This video has been requested ever since I posted a video on Snapchat kind of showing you guys how I do it. I'll put it like right here. But the first time I tried this was last weekend and it looked really good, so I decided to try it again. And a lot of you guys asked me on Snapchat to do it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show y'all. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure, you know, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new, make sure that subscribe button that's on the screen, because if you're not subscribed, then I don't even know why you're watching the video. Like, I'm just being for real. Like, what are you here for if you're not subscribed? Like, what are you doing? And definitely hit that subscribe button to be a part of the little family we have over here. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you know, all the self-promoting apps right there, they're always down below as well. And that is pretty much that. I've missed filming so bad, guys. Like, you guys don't even understand how badly I've wanted to film, and I'm so happy that I'm able to. So I'm really excited for this video. Okay, before we get into the actual tutorial, this is the finishing look, by the way, but you guys are gonna see that in a second. I want to show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using in the video, or like what you need for the video. So first things first, some Eco Solar Gel, because if you don't have Eco Solar Gel, then with type 4 hair especially, I don't really know what else you would use unless you have like a really good product, which I did test out with this product a little bit in the video too, and it almost got my hair really sleek, but I had to go back over with Eco Solar Gel. I'm talking really fast, I need to slow down. But yeah, this is the olive oil one. I live by this one. I love this one, does recommend it. So this is the first thing. You're also gonna be needing a product of your choice. I'm using the African's Pride Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls Pudding. I was like trying to mix bouncy and moisture in the same, it didn't work out. And then you're also going to be needing some brushes, of course. So I have a hard bristle brush and then an edge brush as well, and then a bunch of ponytail holders and scrunchies and stuff like that to do what I'm going to be showing you guys in the video. So that's all the materials that you're going to be needing. I hope you guys in the video, and let's just get straight into it. Okay, you probably like the ponytail is still in. No, it's not. Alright, so I look crazy. We're not gonna talk about it. My hair is already parted down the middle because I'm just redoing this for you guys. But if your hair isn't already parted down the middle, you obviously want to part it down the middle. But I'm gonna just pretend that I'm showing you this, even though you already know how to do that. But you're just gonna part it. I need a mirror actually while I'm doing all this. I'll use my phone because that's the only thing that's close to me right now. You can do it down the middle, or you can either do a side part. I feel like my viewfinder is better than my phone. You can either do this or do a side part, and I just feel like middle parts look the best for me. But after you have your hair parted however you want it, I'm going to be sectioning off one section. Like I said, I'm doing a middle part, so I don't really go all the way down to the back because no one's going to see that. But I am going to section off this part. Obviously, if my hair wasn't like already in a bun previous to this video, then it would be like kind of looking more crazy than it does right now, and you would have to like actually like, you know, do other things. But since it was already done, it's not as bad, but you still get the point of it. So I'm also going to be splitting down this section right here, like this back section. I hope you guys cannot see all the stuff that's flying in the air. It's literally this gel, but whatever. So I'm going to be splitting this again into another section. That's what we need, 2 hair ties for this. And we're going to focus on this back section right here. With having thick type 4 hair, you got to work in sections. I've realized that it works better like that. So I'm going to be working with this section right here. So I'm actually going to just use my viewfinder, so hopefully this is like an accurate thing because I don't feel like getting my mirror. But I'm going to take some water now. Again, this is like one of the worst tutorials ever, but I don't have my spray bottle that I typically use with me. It's at my grandmother's house, so I'm using this fake spray bottle. It's a Mario Badescu spray bottle, and I just put water inside of it because I already finished it. But yeah, so I'm going to just spray this, especially the top part. With this being like an old wash and go, you don't really want to try to focus it on the ends of your hair because you want to be able to still have that curl to your hair, so you don't have to put too much more product on it. So I'm just going to try to do it right along my roots, if that makes sense. We can lay this part down. The product comes in handy. You're going to be using whatever product you want, so you don't have to use this one. It's just the one I'm using. I don't like to put Eco Solar Gel in the back of my hair because I feel like if I don't really need to, why do it? Especially because it flakes your hair a lot, so I try not to use it as much. And then I'll take my brush and just kind of smooth it down. The main point of you doing it in sections is because you're trying to get each part as slick as possible. So keep that in mind. And I'm not even really going all the way down. I'm literally just brushing it like right here and I'm stopping. Because like I said, we're trying to keep the curl at the end of my hair nice for the ponytail. So put some more cream on that. If you want to use Eco Solid Gel on the parts, even in the back, you can. I just feel like no one's going to see it, so it doesn't need to be like that nicely looking. And this cream right here does a good job of laying it down anyways, so yeah. Okay, next we're going to be using a hair tie. I should have probably used one of these scrunchies for my ponytail, so I could have used this for my ponytail, but whatever. So we're going to just use this, and you're going to put this into a section. This isn't going to be the actual ponytail, obviously, but you're going to just be sectioning that part off, and it's already laid down and everything. So now moving on to the second section. I think I need to go get my mirror because I'm really struggling with this viewfinder, so I'll be back. Okay, I have a mirror now, you guys. Hopefully I'm still in focus, but I have a mirror now, so hopefully we can work with this better. So this is kind of cute. Not this, but like the two buns. I should probably do that one day. Anyways, so I'm going to be taking this ponytail out again and doing another section. I do about 3 sections on each half of my head. So again, you're gonna spray some water on it. And then some cream. And then you're just gonna brush it out. Okay, so then we're gonna add this to the ponytail. You can do like separate ponytails if you want to for each section or whatever. I don't think that's really necessary, but after you detangle each, then just put that in one ponytail. So now we have the last section, which is gonna be like the last part of the hair. And we're gonna do the exact same thing, but instead of using the cream this time, you're gonna use your Eco Solid Gel because it's gonna lay it better. So I might oh, my makeup, oh no, I forgot I had my eyebrows, hold on. I'm gonna try to use some of the cream first just to see if it'll lay it down, because I prefer to not use Eco Solid Gel because it flakes really bad, but I feel like it's not gonna lay as flat in the front even as I would like it to, so I'm gonna have to end up going back in with the Eco Solid Gel. But let's just see how good this product is. Okay, hold up, is this actually laying my hair down? Ooh, okay then. I didn't think that it could do it, to be honest. Okay, well for now, since it's actually laying, I didn't think it was gonna lay my hair down. Since it's actually starting to lay my hair down a little bit, come out. I'm gonna try to just use this and just see what it does. But if I get kind of to the end and it's starting to puff up, I'll use the gel. But I didn't think this would actually lay my hair down, because it doesn't. This is like curly hair pudding stuff. It's not really like a defining product, but it actually looks really nice. Like, it looks really sleek, so I like it. Okay, so that's it for this side. Now we're gonna do the second side, and then after you're done with that side, I'm gonna come back, or after I'm done with that side, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how you do like the actual bun. I know I look crazy, but yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do the exact same steps that I just did on this side to that side, and I'll be right back. Last section. Actually, I'm gonna split this into 2 because I feel like this is just too much. Second to last section. Whew, that just took a lot of arm strength, but my hair is down. I'm really shocked that like this is actually laying down. My hair is starting to itch and it's messing it up, but I'm really shocked that this is actually like my hair is laid down. I did not use any gel. Like, I started off this video I was gonna use this and I showed it in my materials and everything, but now I'm kind of like, maybe I don't need to. Now what I'm gonna do is, this is kind of where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm taking a shoelace. Like I said, you don't have to use this, you can use a hair tie or whatever, but a shoelace just works for me. So I use shoelaces for everything, my high puffs, my low puffs, my low buns. Like, I use it for everything, and because I don't really know why, I just do. So this is what I do. I take the shoelace and I put it on my hair like this, like right here around my edges, put my ear up, where to the point where I can grab it in the back, and then I cross it. And then as I go up, as I push this back, I am pulling on this. So pushing it back, pulling on this. Okay, this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna just kind of shape it right. And then I literally just tie it. I'm gonna try to get it even sleeker than that. I just tie it in the back. I feel like this cream, yeah, it looks nice, it laid down, but I still need some gel on it. So I'm gonna add some Eco Sour gel on top of it and lay it down. So I'm gonna be leaving this on my head for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. This is how we do it. Okay, we're gonna see how it looks. I have to still fix the ponytail and stuff. Ooh. Woo! And here is the finishing look. No, I'm joking. But yeah, the hair is pretty much, for the most part, is nice and laid down. I feel like I still should have just used gel, my first instinct, but whatever. So this like shoelace is really long, so I'm gonna just tie it around. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. This is how I do my sleek ponytails, my low buns. I don't really know what you call it. I think it's called a sleek ponytail or a sleek back, slick back, what? Look, whatever, okay? If you guys want to see more tutorials from me, whether that be like hairstyles or whatever, or flex, I don't know, whatever type of things you want to see from me as far as like hair related, make sure to let me know down below. I almost stuttered for like a little second, but let me know down below. I also have a playlist full of just like hair videos, so if you want to just watch all my hair videos, I'll put it up above as well. And yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time in a new video. Bye guys. Mwah. I look cute. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Slick back. Who said type 4 could be slick back? Huh? Oh, okay, just making sure.
They take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.